Coronary hypertension, genetic predisposition, all these are interrelated, a combination we should dread.
Look into your family tree. Often we make our most usually lonely prematurely.
Your future, your genes determine. This we ponder with great precision. Each risk factor is magnified enough to get us terrified.
A strong family history predicts future coronary. This goes too with hypertension, causing family dysfunction.
Everybody issue has may not be easy as a task. Identify which risks there are, including nicotine and tar.
Symptoms may not be typical, complaints may be far from usual. Coronary should be ruled out on chest pain that come as above.
If your son decides to marry, your risk factors are aplenty. As background of wife to avoid a life of misery.
Conscience and where should be the old plagued by heredity. This will help us tremendously. Fight this thing called coronary.
Risk factor in the family must be managed aggressively. Long life less is a big